Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this laptop. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System, then go to Recovery Options, then select Reset PC right here, and then if you want to keep your files in your system and only reset your settings, go with the first option, and if you want to remove everything and perform a full reset of your device, select the second option. The first one is the settings reset mostly, because it doesn't really reset your system but only apps and settings. So if you want to perform a full reset, select this one. And if you're connected to the internet, then in the next window you'll be able to select whether you want to download your Windows from the cloud. It will take a lot more time, but in this case you'll have a fresh Windows copy installed on your PC, and if your files are corrupted, then this would be the best option for you. But if you just want to perform factory reset fast and completely, and you're sure that your Windows files aren't corrupted, then go with the second one. Right now select Change Settings, and here you can select you can switch this toggle to left to select to just remove your files, or if you swipe it to the right, you can completely clean the drive, which will make your files way harder to recover, but it will take a lot more time. And right here, by switching this toggle, you can either reinstall Windows from this device or perform a cloud reinstall, so download Windows from the cloud and reinstall it. So once you made your decisions, select Confirm, then click Next. And then, when you're ready to perform a factory reset, click Reset, and then wait for a while until the factory reset is completed. And right now the factory reset is complete. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.